Hello guys, today's video I wanna share what I ate in Philippines today. Let's start, check it out. I'm going out to eat again today, but I couldn't decide where to eat, so I rode the jeepney to Premier Plaza. I wanna go somewhere to eat today. I wanna eat something, but I don't know what should I eat, something like that. So yeah, let's go. There have many people in here, so hello. What is that?
Pares. Beef Pares.
Ah, beef pares. It's yummy.
Yes,
It's famous in here.
famous here in the Philippines.
Oh, really?
Because it's cheap.
How much is this?
It's 55 pesos.
55 pesos. So I have to eat here.
Yeah.
Ah. What is this?
Rice.
Rice?
Rice and garlic.
What is name?
Pares.
Pares? I don't know what is
Pares
that.
tayo.
Okay, let's try that. What is this?
Lechon Pares, ma'am.
Lechon pares, ma'am?
Lechon Pares, just only Lechon Pares.
It's good?
Yeah, eat with beef soup. 65 ba? 65 pare.
65.
65 pesos.
What is that? Can you explain that? Beef. Wow, it smells is really good. My. Okay, thank you po. Okay, I will eat this one. Okay. Hello. My name is Kelly.
Kelly.
Oh, what is this? Oh, spoon. Okay, thank you po.
Kelly.
Kelly. Oh, calamansi, thank you. Like that. Oh, what is this?
Live.
Live. Oh my god, live. Okay, we will try that.
Panakol sa Tagalog.
Thank you. I cut. Oh, sorry. Cut half. Like that. Like that. And the skin. Oh, thank you for.
Welcome.
Like the skin.
Squeeze it.
And then.
Put some onion leaves.
Okay. Wow, this is my plate. I'm so excited. Pares. This is pares. Oh. This one is
Onion leeks.
onion leeks like that. I have to put many like that.
Yeah.
Wow, it's so yummy. Oh my god, I will eat this one. Okay. Wow. I will pay.
Later, ma'am.
Later. Like that.
Eat
Wow.
first.
I eat first and pay later. Okay, I will try it. What is this?
Garlic.
Oh, I have to put this.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Say hello. This is my place. This one is spicy.
No.
I don't like spicy. I don't like spicy.
Garlic.
Oh my god, smell is really good. Really savory. So I will put it like this. Small? Like that?
More.
More?
The more is the better. The more is the
Like that? More? Oh, me? Yeah! Subscribe me! Oh my god, I put more. Okay. Oh my god, it looks like really yummy. This one is light. Oh my god, light is too enough for me. Right? It's really big for me. But we can try that. This is like, wow, really. Feel like really, it's really gooey. In here, there are meat like that. Its meat is really big like that, right?
Yeah.
And then I can see many kind of things. Okay, we will try that. Beef. Oh, I have to eat. How can I eat that? Like just like and like that.
Put the soup in the rice.
Ah, okay,
Try to
like
put
that,
the
like
sauce.
that, like that, like that.
Like this, mama.
Ah,
You try to put some meat, then some sauce, and just mix it and put it in the mouth.
ah, okay, I got it. Put the like this here, and I eat the rice with the beef like that. Okay? That's mom. Amazing!
Yummy, ma'am?
What? Really yummy! Oh my god! This beef is like sisig. My favorite. Oh, it's good. My favorite food is sisig. So that's why I love it. Oh my god! Wow, it's really yummy. Like that, like that.
Ay, ito lumangang eh.
Mm.
Lumangang, dep na kami.
And like that, like that. Really savory and really tasty. You know, this is my first time to eat this.
Really?
So I never tried this kind of thing. This is meat.
Beautiful, ma'am.
Yes. Oh my god, it's really good. Thank you. Wow. Beef is really tender and meat and really soft, and rice is really well made like that. This is only 50 peso. Only 50 peso?
Ayan.
Wow, only 50 peso. Kuya, only 50 peso? Say hello. Hello, Kuya. Kuya cook well. Really cook well. Kuya is nice cook.
Kuya is so pogi. Looking so pogi.
Yeah.
Pogi in English, handsome.
Ah, handsome, really handsome. Really cute. See me. Oh, really good. Thank you. Wow. Did you guys see my eating sound? Really crunchy. Really meat is crunchy.
Crunchy? Yeah. It is like sisig.
Oh, sisig. It's like sisig. Like that. Really good. Oh my god. Oh, I love it. You know, it's meat, rice, and this sauce is really good. And sauce is not salty and a little bit sweet, right? First, I tried that, and I feel like really refreshing and really good. Maybe I will come here again.
It's your first time, eating Pares?
Oh, eating by first time. Bye bye. Before I came here, I'm a little bit hungry, so I'm just go look around where I eat, and many people are surrounding here, right? So that's why I came here. But you know, it's really good. So now I got it. Why here is really famous in here? Wow. And then meat is really big than I expected. First thing is meat size is really small, but here meat size is really big, so you can eat more flavor. Maybe if you bite it, your mouth is part of the sauce, and my sauce is really enough, so I can put my rice and I can mix and then I can eat. It's really good. Like that. Like that, and like mix, and then got it like that. This balance is really good. I couldn't explain about them. Wow. I'm really excited and enjoy Halapong.
Are you customer in here?
Yes, always.
Always.
I'm working on that.
Oh really? I love Jollibee so much. Yeah, they are Jollibee.
Thank you for bye bye.
I almost done my beef, and but I'm not finished the rice because rice is really enough to me. Oh my god, other customer is paying for my meat?
Yes.
Oh my god, are you serious? Oh my god. You know what? Different customer pay for my meal. Oh my god. So I couldn't say thank you. Oh my god. If you watch this video, I want to say thank you very much. Thank you for, really thank you for. I don't know that. So yeah, my review is finished today. I'm really excited. Okay, bye bye.
Did you guys enjoy this video? I hope you did. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.